Welcome back to another night killer video. Today we're playing a.p.m. This is one of the trucks that they remodeled. It looks nice. We're gonna customize it and where I'm playing on mouse and keyboard. They top it. Wrong passenger side. There we go. Now let's. Oh no, I'm gonna hit this turn around. Almost went to the ditch. Oh, I crashed. Okay, now we're here. Let's accept. Now let's do suspension first. We're gonna make all of them to 1,000. We're putting them all to the highest point. Well, first let's see how all of them look. Yeah, I guess I'll do all of them. What's this do? Oh, so I'm just gonna put it all the way to the max setting. Yeah. Let's look at the other stuff. Let's do attachments. We're gonna do. Let's do cab lights. Then let's have the grill. Choose the biggest grill. Let's hit light bar. And the toolbox. Well, they're all great options. Now let's do engine. I've never seen this here. Now let's check. Ooh, that is nice. Oh, look like. Let's see. Oh, I should make it higher. Oh, that costs Robux. I didn't know that. So anyway, let's just go back to that. Yeah, there's nothing else that there's besides primer and window. Let's just apply changes. Now let's drive it around and see how much the engine are improved in the suspension. Let's drive. Well, this thing's pretty fast. Well, it's harder on keyboard and mouse. That's pretty hard. Okay, let's see if I can just drive around. Oh, this is hard. Whoa. Okay, I can keep it a little steady now. Up around the road, I can keep it a little steady. Let's just go. Now let's see how fast this thing. Whoa, it's pretty fast. Whoa. Oh, I tried drifting. Didn't work. Let's take a U-turn. U-turn. Okay. Oh, we're even. Oh, okay, we catch your feet. Oh, the brakes. Okay, now I put the wrong button on the keyboard. This turn. U-turn. Okay, and let's just try. Whoa. Okay. This part. Let's press. Oh, wrong button again. Wrong button. Okay, let's. Oh, I didn't. I turned too late. Let's reverse. Go forward. We're taking it. I'm gonna take. Turn. Just turn it up. Yeah. Reversing. Park here. Oh, yep. Oh, look, the truck on fine. Look at the truck. This is a pretty nice truck for it's very remodeled in the game. It looks nice from this side. It's pretty nice. Look at this house. Well, this is done for this night killer video. See you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.